Welcome to this lesson on Boolean values in PowerShell. Booleans are one of the fundamental data types you'll work with in scripting. In PowerShell, Boolean values are represented by two special variables, $true and $false. These values are essential for making decisions in your scripts and controlling the flow of your code. Let's explore how they work and why they're so important. A Boolean is a data type that can hold only two possible values. These values represent truth or falsehood in logical operations. In PowerShell, $true represents a true condition, while $false represents a false condition. Think of Booleans as simple yes or no answers, on or off switches, or true or false statements. They're the foundation of decision-making in programming. PowerShell provides built-in automatic variables for Boolean values. These are $true and $false. The important thing to understand is that these variables are read-only, which means you cannot change their values. $true will always represent true, and $false will always represent false. PowerShell protects these values to ensure consistency across all your scripts. You can assign Boolean values to your own variables just like any other data type. For example, you can create a variable called $is active and set it equal to $true. Similarly, you can create $is complete and set it to $false. When you display these variables, PowerShell will output true or false with a capital T or F. This is how you store and work with Boolean states in your scripts. Comparison operations in PowerShell automatically return Boolean values. For example, 5-EQ5 asks if 5 equals 5, which returns true. 10-GT3 asks if 10 is greater than 3, which also returns true. 7-LT5 asks if 7 is less than 5, which returns false. And 8-NE8 asks if 8 is not equal to 8, which returns false. These comparisons are the building blocks of conditional logic. Booleans are essential for conditional statements like if and else. In this example, we set $sign is logged in to $true. Then we use an if statement to check this variable. If the condition is true, PowerShell executes the code inside the first block and writes access granted. If the condition is false, it executes the else block and writes access denied. This is how Booleans control the flow of your program. PowerShell provides logical operators to combine and manipulate Boolean values. The dash and operator returns true only if both values are true. The dash or operator returns true if at least one value is true. The dash not operator reverses a Boolean value, turning true into false and false into true. These operators allow you to create complex logical conditions by combining multiple Boolean expressions together. Let's review what we've learned. First, Booleans have only two values, $true and $false. Second, these Boolean variables are read-only automatic variables that cannot be changed. Third, comparison operations return Boolean values automatically. And finally, Booleans are essential for conditional logic and control flow in your PowerShell scripts. Understanding Booleans is crucial for writing effective scripts that make decisions based on conditions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.